In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this portable fishing line winder. So this is something very interesting that I've actually never used. So normally when I line up one of my reels, I'll just kind of like lay it down on the ground and just line it up as it's going. But this is an actual portable one that can mount right onto the rod, and then you'll put the line. I've got this monofilament, this casting monofilament. This is 10 pounds, and I'm going to put it on this spinning reel here. So what I figured I'd do is go ahead and show you guys how this thing works, or actually I'm going to figure it out as I go along. You can see how you kind of get it in here. Oh, I do like the fact that they give you scissors to cut that, because I was already thinking I needed a pair of scissors. And it's pretty simple, everybody. All you do is put the line inside of here, lock this onto the reel, and then you could, oh, by the way, you could actually take line off of another rod. Say if I had a reel that had some line and I want to change from like monofilament to braid, get you one of these, and then you can take all of that monofilament off, put the braid on there, and then reel the reel, and then you could put it all back on there. You can tighten it and loosen it apparently right there. And this is the little pair of scissors they give you with this thing. So nice little pair of scissors. Wow, that is actually pretty good quality scissors. I'm carrying those with me. Let's go ahead and let's put it on this reel right here. This is the Casking Versus reel. So how this thing works, you're basically just gonna run it just like this. So we've got this tightened down on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the line on there. Let me grab my line and go ahead and get it set up, and I'll put the line on there, and I'll show you guys, you know, reeling it up here. All you do is kind of hold this thing right here, unscrew this, put your line down inside there, and then see how it just lines up, and then you grab the line and you could just tie it off right here and start reeling it. And then what I like about this is I can tighten it up by tightening up that, or make it more loose. So check that out. See how loose that is? Now watch. Turn this knob, and then you can tighten it. Now look, it is very tight. I like it about a medium right there. So that way it's going to be kind of a medium pull on there. Loosen up a little bit more. And what it's doing, it looks like it just mashes a spring down right there. And then this part right here is how you take it on and off. So let me tie this. So make sure you put your bell wire up like that, and then come over here and then tie this off. And all I do is put like a double knot in this, and I try to get it right on that grip. You guys see that gnarl grip right there? That's exactly where you want to get it, is on that. Tie it off, and then we'll start just winding it up. So I tied it off right there. I'm using their scissors that they supplied, and I'm just gonna cut this tag in off right there. Wow, those are sharp. Very nice scissors. Put those down. Now everybody, you want to close that up. Now check this out. Let's tighten it up a little bit more. Let's go a little tighter with it. Oh, this is working great. Let me get over here and show you guys. Look at how it's just rolling it up at a perfect. This is the best way to actually put line on a reel. I've already figured this out. And then, like I said, if you were taking line off of a rod, check this out. I can actually take line off of a reel. I can take line off of a, say like you've got a reel and you want to take line off of it. Just line this up like that. Look at that. So what you want to do is just kind of have a good smooth rotation. Don't go too fast. What happened before, I tried to go very fast and then it looped over itself. So just keep like a good smooth rotation. You guys see that? Look how clean and smooth all of that's going on there. Look how nicely that's filled this reel up. It's getting close to the end. There it is. Look at that, everybody. Look how nice and clean that is. I'm not going to put any more on there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut this right here, just like that. Take this part off, lay that down. Now I can go ahead and pull up and then string it through the eyelets right here. Okay, I went ahead and strung up, and I tied up a Texas rig on here with a, you know, little 1/4 ounce weight, and you can see how nice and neat all of this is. I don't know how well you can see the line in the camera, but I was very impressed with this thing. And to take off the spool, what you're going to do is hold this down right here. You see how it just unscrews itself right there. Pretty simple how all that works. And then you'll just take this piece off right here, and then check that out. You guys see how that works? See, I've used almost all of that lineup. Don't need that anymore. And this is a little spring action right there, and that's where it gets its like tensioner at, where it gets, you can see, tighten and loosen right there. And just put it back on just like this, and that's it. This is something I recommend for any type of fisherman that's going to be doing changing lines or getting a new reel like I did and needing to put some line on it. Makes things so much easier. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the RUNCL, you know, line spooler, portable line spooler. See you on the next video.